Start by making the magic ring. And inside it, share 10 single crochet. Close the magic ring and make a slip stitch. On the first point, make 1 chain and 1 single crochet here on the first point. Turn the piece and insert the needle into this back handle. From the single crochet, look for the wire. Turn forward again. Insert the needle at the next point. Look for the wire. Throw the needle. Take out 2 handles. Throw again. Take the last 2. Turn the piece. Insert the needle into this first loop. And look for the wire. Following, let's get the next strap. From behind the point, you can continue. With your piece facing the wrong side, let's get the wire. Insert the needle into the next point and pick up the thread. Now lace. Take out 2 handles. Lace pull out 2 handles. Lace take the last 2. Turn the piece. Insert the needle into the first handle. And look for the wire. Insert the needle into the next strap. From behind the point, and look for the wire. Now enter the needle on the last strap. Look for the wire. Turn the piece. Insert the needle at the next point. Look for the wire. Lace and pull out every 2 straps until there are no left. Let's turn the piece and repeat the whole procedure. Starting from here, from the first back handle, from the point. Go to the second strap and pick up the thread. Insert the needle into the third handle and pick up the thread. Insert the needle into the fourth handle. And look for the wire. Insert the needle at the next point. Look for the wire. Now loop and pull twice as many loops to the end. Turn the piece. And females. Again in the same way, in the back straps. After inserting the needle into all handles, look for the next point. Lace pulls twice until the end. Ready, staff? It will stay that way. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 turns. And then, let's work 5 streams. Skips the first current. In the following, I make single crochet. A loop in the next stream. I introduce the needle. I am looking for thread. I tie and draw everything at once. Then I keep making 2 double crochet, being 1 point for each point. Work 2 chains and 1 slip stitch. Here at the last point, I make 5 chains. Skips the first current. Next, I make single crochet. Tie the thread. In the following stream, work a half double crochet. Now make 1 sequence of 2 double crochet, being 1 point for each point. I make 2 chains and 1 slip stitch. Here at the last point where we work. And also, here at the beginning. From first part. Now I will cut my wire. And I'm going to do a tapestry needle finish. After finishing, glue or sew 1 bead in the center of the magic ring. In case you prefer, passes resin or fabric glue with just 1 little water. On the back of the piece, we will use 2 ringlets and 1 earrings hook. But you can customize your piece in the way. What do you find most interesting? This is the result of our crochet piece today. I hope you enjoyed this pair. Wonderful crochet earrings. In the shape of a fish. It's a super quick piece to make. Spends very little material, and you can use it as a souvenir. Or to sell too.